is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jam Racing, doing something a little bit different. We're out here at Truck Wars in Macon, Georgia. So it should be a pretty fun event. My buddy John invited me out here. He drives a pretty cool cammed 1500. Definitely some cool trucks already that pulled up. His buddy Nick is going to be the one driving. It's a Silverado. We'll get maybe some more specs on it. I don't know how much information he'll give me. I just met the guy, so it should be pretty cool. His is going to be the blue one. I think it's going to be awesome to watch him race. This is all 8th mile racing. Truck's pretty quick. The driver let me know that he's practicing the tree a little bit more, so if he makes some good passes, it should be awesome. Let's take a walk around and see what's out here. Definitely some awesome trucks for sure. Ridiculous. All right, more of my style. You guys know I love diesels. Really don't know how much they'll let me walk around and film. You know, maybe not give away any secrets or setups. Cool trucks, man. Awesome. Last minute adjustments. Probably just like Jam Racing, just tweaking a couple things here and there, or maybe putting the truck together at the last second. Now these two trucks, man, like crazy fast with bald eagle power. Dude, those wraps look sick. Hey, how you doing? People are getting set up, ready to rock out, roll out. There's a couple Mustangs here. I'm gonna edit a lot of this stuff out, trust me. This is new, so I don't know what to put. If you guys know, we are into anything with a motor and wheels. We've even had a bar stool and gone around a dirt track in a bar stool. So this is before we started shooting all of our dumb stuff. So now that we have a camera out, you might see some of that stuff later on. This thing is ridiculous. Like, I pulled up and saw this truck and I was like, that is insane. The blower on it is, I can't wait to see this thing go down track. It's gonna be insane. Man, that's huge. Oh, it's only a 1500. Probably has a stock 5.9 or something like that in it. You know, just add a whole bunch of boost. you know what my saying. Just one more PSI. What's the worst that could happen? Ah, It could go pretty bad. This is a pretty cool setup. Oh, look at this. Hey, this is up our alley, guys. Look what I found. Wonder what specs does this thing have? That's pretty cool. Definitely some awesome trucks. I'll definitely be back to check out that cart. I call it a cart. To check out that little, I'm guessing a little mini dragster. Pretty cool. Man, a lot of sick trucks here. Can't wait till racing starts. They pushed up the time because we're gonna try to beat the rain, even though the weather looks beautiful at the moment, and hopefully stays like this. But you know how the weather can be at times. It'll be up and down all the time, and you just never know. So hopefully we get some good rounds of racing in. Maybe get some more information on some of the trucks around here, and definitely maybe they let me throw the GoPro on the inside and get some in footage camera. So it should be fun for sure. Definitely. I'm excited. I can't wait. And then we'll talk to John, my buddy. He is actually building a truck at the moment, so he'll give us some information on that. And then I think I might follow him along on his build and maybe start throwing some of this into the channel as well. Just to, just something a little different, a little more insight to the Jam Racing family. But definitely this one's the one to watch out for sure. Getting in line for the first test hit. Sounds weird saying that. Man, it's a beautiful looking truck though. I was extremely surprised when we fired it up. It's extremely quiet. Full body, heavy street truck, or full size, something like that. It's big, it's heavy. Drives on the road probably like a daily almost. Super quiet, super fast. We'll see how it goes down the track. Should be pretty fun. They're gonna slowly ramp it up. They're not gonna go like us. They don't go full send right off the rip. They make sure everything's good, shaken down, and then they let it rip. Whoa! What a race! Holy shit! Test it number one didn't go so well. Spun the tires a little bit. A little too hot at the beginning. Test set number two going on. We got the GoPro inside. We're gonna see how it goes. He did a couple adjustments. That's funny for me saying that. He did a couple adjustments. It should hook up better, and he should make a pretty good A to B pass. It should be a good run for sure. Let's see how it goes.
Alright, we got two DOT full-size trucks coming up right here. Two LS powered turbo trucks.
All right, a little bit different here. Nick going up to a line, warming up the tires, getting a little sticky. His first pass of the day, he had just gotten new tires on, so it probably had that coating that it sits for a while. And he was telling me his truck usually hooks up. It didn't hook up. It just smoke checked the tires. So here, they did a couple changes. Cherry had the truck to hook up a little bit better. And he's gonna get a really good pass down the road. Here he goes in a trans brake, bumps it in here in a second. Once it gets lined up, they'll let him know how far forward he needs to go, and then he's just gonna let it rip. Awesome pass, great A to B. First round about to get on the way. Nick in his blue truck. I don't know if he has a name for it, but I'm gonna call it the Blue Dragon. It's going against another blue truck.
It's a Blue Beast, man. It's on the license plate.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Never mind. I take that back. It's called the Blue Beast. It's gonna go against another blue truck. That's gonna be the first round. We did a good test here on the second pass. Pretty happy with it. Now we just turn it up, send it. He feels pretty confident. Let's see if it hooks and goes. All right, on his way down to the burnout box, getting those tires warmed up again. That's a pretty good burnout. Awesome to watch him on the outside view, light up the tires, get everything ready. He was worried about cutting a good light, and you're gonna see in the video why he was worried about it. He lined up against a really quick truck, but he held his own well. He did a really good pass, just got a bad reaction time. He threw the belt, so he quickly noticed that. Looked down at his gauges, noticed something was a little off. Shut the truck off, put it in neutral, and it was just a thrown belt. He already ordered a part to get that issue fixed. Still excellent run, matched his best ET, and there's still tons left on the truck. So, excellent run from him. Excellent showing. He will be back, he will be quick, and he'll be definitely ready for a rematch for sure. Wrinkle life. that was a good A to B pass. Good A to B pass, just a little slow on the tree. Other than that, truck launched great, ran great. It was a straight up monster for sure. Ran on. And that's how you load it up. So it's one round of elimination. We got eliminated the first round. Still ran really well. I think it's the first pass on the new transmission tune, and he hit his like almost best ET, or yeah, best ET that he's done. So he almost matched his personal best on the first pass on the new transmission tune. So he's extremely happy. This is a full-size truck. Daily, it could be a daily driven truck. It has AC, it has all the interior. It's straight up like a street truck.
You standing my butt, man? That ain't cool.
And this is John. He's gonna be building one as well. This is what I was talking about earlier. He's building one of these, but his is a step side. And at the moment he is getting all these parts and pieces together so he can do the build, and then he'll be out here running it. Man, already talking. Shoot, I mean, should be pretty quick. Should be nice. But overall, fun day. I had a blast. Hands down, I had a blast. Well, we're heading out. Had a good day. Good run. Nick did a good job. John is here itching to get his truck ready. You can see him. He's been licking his lips all the whole time. So definitely should be a good time when he gets his truck up and running. Like I said, I'm gonna try to videotape, make some videos of him putting his truck together, and then we're gonna come out here and then run it as well. A little added bonus to the channel, you know, a little bit different. Not something that we usually do, but definitely for the time being. We have SSKC still coming up, so that should be fun time. It's in Ocala. They have SSKC in Homestead in December, and that will wrap up the year on us. So definitely can't wait. The Blue Beast did a good job. We gotta find a name for John's truck if he hasn't found one yet. Leave a comment in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on track soon enough.